Hi, I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2012 Toyota Camry LE 2.5 liter automatic, and I will be showing you how to reset the oil maintenance light. So we're going to be turning on the ignition 2 clicks to the on position, and we're going to be resetting that oil maintenance light. So what I need to do is your odometer, I'm going to have to put it onto trip A. Push this button right here and put it onto trip A. So now I'm going to turn the ignition off. So I'm going to be holding down this button, and while I'm holding it down, I'm going to be turning on the ignition 2 clicks. Okay, then you're all set. Let it go and turn off the ignition. So that's how you reset the oil maintenance light. If you don't want to miss another of my videos, please subscribe, give me the thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Aloha.